Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Do me a favor. Hey, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's my birthday, y'all. Go ahead, just take a second. Make sure you are subscribed. A lot of people are not. Even though you've already subscribed, some people have been mysteriously unsubscribed. Let's get right into it. We're going to make this a short one. Listen, let's look at this. So look at this. The Dow rallies 300 points to end another wild week on the market. Okay. It's been crazy, good people. It's been really crazy. So the Fed came out. I'm going to make it real brief. The Fed came out. He's going up 7 times. We will have 7 rate hikes. Okay. We've been playing this guess game. And now today we know that the Fed is going up 7 times. So far, all at 0.25%, making it, what's that, 1.75, 1 3/4. He's trying to get inflation to around back to 2%. And that's what he's trying to do. He said that the market is strong enough to take it. He also said that he believes that if it gets worse, he's going 7 this year. Okay. And so he said, even if it gets worse, he is going to, just kind of gauge it. If he needs to go up more than 0.25%, then he will. But he believes that the labor market and the overall economy is strong enough to take this. So now I thought that maybe it might spook the market, which it kind of did for a little bit. And then it stopped and kind of went back. Okay. Let me see if I can pull up where everything is right now so we could see how things are. They're close to closing bell. And let's see where they're at. Right now, the Dow is up 300. Let me just put it here so you guys could see it. So just look at this, good people. Right now, the Dow is up 311, as you can see. NASDAQ 366, and then the S&P 66. I'll take that any day. So what I was nervous that the Fed was going to keep talking, which the market generally don't like. The market don't like when the Fed keeps talking, so I just wanted him to hurry up and shut up. All right. So he did. The landing was smooth. So I believe the rest of this week will be okay, unless there's something that Putin does with the geopolitical situation to make things worse. Good news is that energy is starting to come down. So it was a good day. This was the biggest fear as far as the market was concerned. Take away the geopolitical situation. This was the biggest weight on the market. What was the Fed going to do? Was he going to go up 0.25%, which is 25 basis, or was he going up 50%, which is 50 basis? So he did go 25, and just like we thought. In closing, look at this. Good people, remember, Josh yesterday, if you didn't watch Technical Tuesdays, you really need to watch it. We went over Alibaba yesterday. For a swing trade, he said to buy it at 74 and sell it at $97. All right, which will give you what, like a 30% swing trade in a day. Look at where it is. It's $103, Alibaba. All right. So myself, I said I wasn't partaking in it because I just didn't want the risk. But if you did, please leave me a message below. I told you guys on yesterday personally, I just wasn't going to do it. All right. But check out our Technical Tuesdays. There's a lot of money to be made, especially if you're swing trading and you want your end points. You want to know where to buy and where to sell. We're going to continue Technical Tuesdays. All right. We're going to see you tonight. There'll be a box in this corner. I am going live with my YouTube brothers, Stockmo and Keenan Grace. We're just going to just dive into it and get it in. All right. We're going to get it all in. All right. So please, everyone that's listening to me, check out that link because I want you guys to, just come party with me. It's my birthday. Okay. And let's see how it's going to end up tonight. All right, good people. I love you guys. I'll see you tonight. Live, love, laugh, and learn. What's up, good people?